Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to put Freon in a Buick Enclave. Before we begin, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear appropriate eye protection and gloves to prevent injury. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Having the right refrigerant kit and understanding the process will make this task much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's find the low-side service port on your Buick Enclave. This port is generally located on the passenger side of the engine bay, often near the firewall. It's usually identifiable by a cap marked with an L or a smaller diameter than the high-side port. Once located, carefully clean the port to ensure a good seal before connecting your refrigerant charging hose. With the low-side hose connected, start your engine and set your air conditioning to its maximum cold setting with the fan on high. Shake the refrigerant can well and then connect it to the charging hose. Begin adding the refrigerant slowly, turning the can upright and then upside down every few seconds. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge to avoid overcharging the system. As you add refrigerant, keep a close eye on the pressure gauge. It should fall within the recommended range, typically between 25 and 45 pounds per square inch, depending on ambient temperature. Once the correct pressure is achieved, quickly disconnect the charging hose from the low-side port. Finally, replace the service port cap securely to prevent any leaks and ensure your AC system is ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.